Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for January 13th, 2019. It is the start of earnings week, usually a very exciting and possibly profitable time for active traders. So let's get right into it. We're looking at a chart at the S&P 500, and currently we're gapped up just about 9.25 points, giving back some of the gains that we previously had from the overnight session. We had a high of 32.78, so just about 4 points above where we currently are. However, on this screen, what we have here is a really nice picture of the larger context and structure of the last 3 weeks or so. Most notably, this very bullish reversal off of this breakdown beneath 32.14. So we rose up from the lows from 31.81, came back into this congestion area here at around 32.42 to 32.44, broke out of there, tested the all-time high made at 32.6375, and we have now made new all-time highs once again at 32.87. Had a bit of a liquidation break on Friday evening's close, which we are now again bouncing off of. Now, what is the underlying signal? What is the underlying response that the market is saying? Clearly, there are buyers to the dips at key levels. So the ball is clearly, the market feedback is giving us the signal the ball is in the bulls camp, and we have to go with that until that does not prove to be the case anymore. Keep it simple, smarties. What are we looking at for today? In today's regular session, we are looking once more to retest this high at around 32.87. Let's see how close we can get to that high that was set there. And to the downside, we have yesterday's low, Friday's low at around 32.60 to the downside. But given that this correlates and coincides with the previous breakout high at 32.63, I would expect some buyers to be waiting there very patiently. And if not at 32.63, then we can very quickly see 32.52 and back into the congestion area at around 32.42 and 32.34 beneath. Be safe out there today, guys. Remember, it is the start of earnings season this week. I advise, given that portfolio insurance is so cheap, put something on a couple months out, some hedges for your portfolio, because even though we are in the bulls camp and the price action is bullish, it can and will turn on a dime when it eventually does. And so you don't want to be caught with your pants down. Ensure that you have proportionate and relevant portfolio protection and hedges in place as we continue to melt and grind up into all-time highs and possibly the round number of 3300 and 3320 above.